My name is Becci. I am a nurse from the UK. I am a paediatric emergency nurse by training, but I currently work mostly in the humanitarian sector. I'm the team leader of M.A.R.D.I, medical aid for refugees and displaced people in Paris. So M.A.R.D.I's been here for about 2 years, doing street medicine for the refugees living here, which is estimated between about 4,000 to 6,000 at any time. So we provide basic first aid with over-the-counter medicines, so things you could buy in a pharmacy. We always prioritise women, so we see them first. They don't wait with the men in the line. Most common requests are for feminine hygiene products and things that every woman needs, like painkillers because they have their period. Or sometimes we have requests for prenatal vitamins, which we give. Yeah, this is our little referrals book. I think this is quite interesting. So this is the little cards we give out. So depending on what's wrong with the person, we give them a little paper that's like gives them the address, the metro station, like where they can go for which problems, like past clinic and stuff like that. We have something for everything pretty much. There's an answer for everything. Mental health, dentist, yeah, a bit of everything. So if we don't have the answer in our bags, then this is like the next answer is to refer them. Obstetrics and maternity, antenatal. Yeah. Move these out of the way. Yeah, so we carry 4 bags. Yeah, like this. And then inside, out of the way, we have smaller bags. So it's kind of a system. Yeah, we have for different conditions, we have then what medicines we have available for that condition. So they're all divided into there. So we have pain, paediatrics and pregnancy, gastrointestinal disease, and then in this one we've got some more. It's quite a lot we carry around. It's like a small pharmacy that we take with us. Dermatology, dental, cold and flu. No, so the way the French system works is very unfair. If you don't speak French, it's very difficult to be seen in the hospital. Even we have reports of people going to the free clinic, which is supposed to be for migrants and refugees, people without papers. And there is still record of people being turned away because they don't speak French. So a large part of outside of the clinic thing is to take people to their appointments with a translator, and someone who can advocate for them in French, so that they'd get seen. And if we can't do that, we have to write them a letter again in French to explain what their problem is, and we normally give our translator's number for them to be then contacted with the person, so that the hospital cannot say, go away, you don't have the right to be here. Where do I start? People need to be able to access healthcare without fear, because a lot of what stops women accessing healthcare here, for themselves and their children. The fear of humiliation, the fear of rejection. So having a more open system, having people from the French side actually accessing the camp to find out the needs of the women, and taking them to hospital or getting them hooked up with clinics. A lot of the time there is sort of social side to it. The women want a house, but they can't always be housed with their family or with their husband. So then they end up in the camp, which is, the conditions are not good for women and children at all. So I think more awareness of where the women are, and what their needs are by the people who should be